While the entire world is grappling with pandemic spread by novel coronavirus, India too is struggling to save itself from the menace. While the cases have crossed 1 million mark, state and central governments are taking measures to stop the spread and bring the situation under control. While some Indian states have managed to bring the situation in better place, few ones have totally fallen flat in bringing down the cases and controlling the menace. One such state is Bihar. Going by what locals claim, Bihar is in a complete mess. If we study the graph and trends, we can say that sudden spike in coronavirus cases has not come unexpectedly in the state. Bihar was spared in the first wave of the crisis, but it lost the precious time to prepare for the pandemic. Several videos have been circulating on social media in which people are complaining about inadequate facilities and negligence at state-run hospitals. In Katihar, a patient reportedly died at a hospital after the hospital staff failed to provide him oxygen cylinder. In another incident, a woman was seen lying unattended at a hospital bed as her attendants called for help. Though vacant beds are available, COVID-19 patients are being refused admission as doctors and nurses are reluctant to treat them. A lady was seen saying in one video which went viral recently. More than 89 containment zones have been created in Patna alone to prevent the spread of the disease. For the last 1 week, nearly 1,000 cases are being reported in Bihar every day. The opposition parties have lashed out at the ruling NDA and Chief Minister Nitish Kumar for not taking steps to control the spread and indulging in the preparation for the assembly elections. The raging floods in large parts of the state have only compounded the crisis. The return of migrants had already added to the state's woes, pushing unemployment to a new high. Amid worsening situation, a central team visited Bihar recently to assess the state's coronavirus preparedness amid the pandemic. The visit by the three-member team led by Joint Secretary Love Agarwal came amid allegations of poor handling of the COVID-19 situation by the Nitish Kumar government. According to the National Health Profile 2019, prepared by the Indian Council of Medical Research, Bihar has 2,792 allopathic doctors in government hospitals. In Bihar, one doctor is available for every 43,788 persons. Though all states have a shortage of doctors as per the recommendation of the World Health Organization, which says there should be at least one allopathic doctor for every 1,000 persons, Bihar stands at the bottom in the National Health Profile. That was a deep analytical report by Mera Vote. Keep watching this space for more such updates.